How to join a new server in Discord. So there are two ways that you can go about joining a new server in Discord. The first is by clicking the Add a Server icon in the Server Manager bar over on the left-hand side of the Discord app. If you click on that, it gives you two options. One, to either create a new server or join a server with an invite code or link. If you don't know the server invite code or link, just go ahead and click anywhere in the black space around the white box, and you'll go back to Discord. So the other option, of course, is server discovery. So we'll go ahead and click on server discovery, and you'll notice that there are just a plethora of different Discord servers in here that you can go ahead and choose from and decide if you want you can join. So based on my recommendations from the games I've played, Discord has recognized that Rocket League server might be a good one for me. So I'll go ahead and click on the Rocket League one, and I've then been added to that Discord server just by clicking on it. So then once you've joined the server, it will give you a little message that says, "Welcome to Rocket League, the official developer run the Discord server for Rocket League, 175 Rocketeers, strong and growing." Some other things that will give you to do here. Of course, that's unique for each Discord server. But you'll now notice over here on the left-hand side that I am now part of the Rocket League server. And then, of course, I also have my own server down here. So that is how you join another server from within Discord.